Selling your home is a big decision. If you've considered a cash offer, you've probably heard they're faster, easier, no repairs, no open houses, and stress-free. Honestly, a cash offer may be the right move, but sometimes that easy offer can cost you thousands of dollars. Before you sell to a cash buyer, you need to ask yourself two important questions. Are you taking the deal for convenience? And are you okay with giving away your equity? I'm Tameifuna, a realtor in Huntington Beach, California, and this week in my series, Before You Sell to a Cash Buyer, I'll walk you through how to compare your options, protect your bottom line, and make the smartest move before you sell. Why do sellers even consider cash buyers? Usually it's not about the money at first, it's about stress. Maybe the home needs too many repairs, or maybe it was inherited. Maybe you're a tired landlord, and maybe your life has just changed and you need a clean, fast solution. And honestly, I understand that. Sometimes speed matters more than squeezing every dollar. As a seller, though, are you comparing the cost between a fast, easy offer to the net proceeds of a clean, presentable house? Although convenience matters, sometimes it may not outweigh your bottom line. Sometimes a cash buyer is absolutely the right move. I'm talking about not putting your home on the market. It's not in the MLS, no photos, no marketing, and no hassles. If the property has major repairs, foundation issues, deferred maintenance, probate complications, tenant problems, or you have serious timeline pressure, a traditional listing may not be the best path. Sometimes certainty is worth more than top dollar. The mistake isn't choosing a cash buyer. The mistake is not knowing your options first. You should know what your home could sell for before deciding what you're willing to trade for convenience. You have a completely adorable home and you're asking for a cash offer? This is where you will lose money. Your home is actually sellable, but someone convinces you it needs to be sold off market. This happens all the time. You have a clean home in a desirable neighborhood and suddenly someone says, "I'll make this easy for you." But easy for who? Your option to list your home as is will net you more money than that easy and convenient cash offer. Before you accept a cash offer, ask yourself these 5 questions. Number 1, what would my house sell for as a traditional listing? 2, what are my true net proceeds in both scenarios? 3, what repairs actually matter and which ones don't? Number 4, what is the process like and how long will it take? And finally, number 5, ask yourself if you really need to move fast. Speed and simplicity matter, but math matters too. You're not just comparing prices, you're comparing the outcome. Knowing your options is your first step to understanding your true cost. Receiving a cash offer for your home gets tricky. This is where people get fooled. They look at the offer price instead of the net. A higher offer doesn't always mean more money. The lower cash offer sometimes is better after you calculate your net. You'll want to compare fees like title, escrow, and agent commissions. Consider repairs, holding costs, mortgage payments, and finally, you want to compare timing and stress. What is the real number that lands in your pocket? That's the number, and that's your net. Smart sellers are going to consider their best outcome. Before you sell your home to a cash buyer, ask great questions. Run your numbers and understand what you are paying for. Working with a cash buyer and selling your home off market may be the perfect solution, but it may also be the worst choice. If your goal is fast and no hassle, it may be right for you. Thank you for watching this series called Before You Sell to a Cash Buyer. If you have more questions about what it means to work with a cash buyer or whether it's right for you, please reach out to me. Do me a huge favor and click the subscribe button for more content like this, and I will see you next time.